boys and girls. My name is Firefighter Jake Miller, one of the volunteer firefighters here in Montgomery Township. Behind the camera today we have Firefighter Ryan Allison. Today we're here at Battalion 1 Fire Station at the intersection of 309 and Stump Road to show you our tower ladder, Ladder 18. We're going to start with the driver. Inside this door you will find where the ladder is operated from. Up in here we have a full set of emergency lights, we have generators, and we have the air horn for the vehicle. We also have many different functions available to the driver. Next is the cab of the ladder. Inside the cab you will find many tools where firefighters, such as myself and Firefighter Allison, can use to save property and lives. Some of the tools you will find in here are radios, hooks, axes and halogen bars, and most notably our SCBA, our breathing apparatus. Next, we will show you the pump. We are lucky enough to have a pump here at Montgomery Township on our ladder truck. Our pump is capable of 2,000 gallons per minute, and we have a water tank that holds 300 gallons of water. We have different types of hose lays here. We have 2 1 3/4 hose lays and a 2.5 hose lay for larger fires such as commercial buildings. Inside this compartment we have different fittings to connect different size hoses together, such as smaller hose to larger hose or larger hose to smaller hose. We also have a wheel chock to chock the wheel and some nozzles for the bucket of the truck. This is the chauffeur's compartment. Inside the chauffeur's compartment we have extra hose, we have the chauffeur's pack, and we have a cord reel for electrical operations if we need fans or such. We also have portable lights, and this is where the driver keeps their gear until they get to the scene. This is our RIT compartment. In the RIT compartment we have a board. The board is called a RIT board. RIT stands for Rapid Intervention Team. Rapid Intervention Team is used in times of a downed firefighter inside of a building, a structure, or some other type of emergency. We use this. It has extra air for firefighters in case they run out of air or need extra air. We also have a high-rise pack. A high-rise pack is for hotels or tall buildings. This is our rope rescue compartment. In here we have lots of different rope bags. Each rope bag is used for a different thing. We have many different things in this bag. In this bag there are carabiners and rope rigging equipment so that if we need to make a rope rescue from either a high angle or a low angle, we are able to. This is our medical compartment. We have an AED and a medical bag, as well as ladder belts for the ladder on the top of the truck. This compartment we have 2 blowhard fans. These blowhard fans are used after the fire to ventilate the building and evacuate the smoke from the building. We also have our hydrant bag. This hydrant bag is used to hook up to the hydrant when we need water for the truck. This is the rear of the truck. This is called a Hydra System. This hooks onto the hydrant. After you hook that on the hydrant, we have our 5-inch hose right here. This hose is used and it snaps into here, and the water goes through the hose and into the truck. We also have an array of ladders. We have a 24-foot ladder, 2 16-foot ladders, and a 35-foot ladder. In this compartment, we have rescue tools, what some may call the jaws of life. These tools are used to cut vehicles open and remove people who cannot get out of the vehicles. We also have cribbing. This cribbing is used to stabilize a car so we are able to safely work on a car and pull a victim from the car. This is our water rescue compartment. We have special helmets for water rescue, as well as personal flotation devices, or what some may call life vests. This is a compartment of miscellaneous tools. we have many tools that we may sometimes use on the fire ground, such as a duckbill, a flathead axe, bolt cutters, or a J-hook. This is our salvage and overhaul compartment. In this compartment, you'll find 2 metal bins that may be used to pull burnt material out of a house after a fire has been put out. We have shovels and we have tarps. These tarps are used to cover people's belongings when there's a fire, once the fire's out, so that while we are overhauling the building and salvaging it, we don't ruin any of the equipment. In this compartment, we have 2 K12 saws, which may be used to cut a roof, as well as a chainsaw, which is also used to cut a roof. They're very important to us when we go up on the roof of a building because they help us to ventilate the building. The officer is the person in charge of the truck and the crew. There are many things inside of this compartment that are important. One of them is our map book. A map book shows in our township where every single hydrant is, so that we can easily find a water source that we need. The officer also has at their disposal a computer, and on this computer you can find dispatch information and special information that may be pertinent for the officer and the crew. Next, we are going to show you the aerial device, which I am standing under. The aerial device is also known as the ladder, where we are able to get to higher floors as well as put the fire out from a higher level. As you may have noticed, I put on my bunker pants and my helmet for safety reasons for this next part of the video. This is called an outrigger. An outrigger is used to stabilize the ladder so that we can put it up to its height when we need to. We are now on top of the ladder. The first place I'm going to show you is the control panels for the bucket. The control panels for the bucket are right here. They have all of the different functions that you can do with the ladder, such as extend, turn left or right, go down or up. They also have controls for the water, if we need, for some reason, water suppression when we're up there. The first thing we do when we get in the bucket is clip in for safety reasons. We're now ready to fly the bucket. We're now going to descend to the roof of our fire station to show you what it's like. I'm now going to get out of the bucket and onto the roof of our fire station. First, we open the door. Now, I'm on the roof. We are currently at 95 feet up in the air in the bucket of the ladder. Right now we are going to do a 360-degree rotation to show you what it looks like from the bucket. So we are now back down at ground level. This concludes our tour of Ladder 18. We just want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'd love to answer any of your questions.